everyone. In the last video we have explained about the version. In that we have seen up to the external cephalic version. Two was pending that we will discuss in today videos. In that we have internal podalic version, the second one. So coming to definition first, internal version is always a podalic version and is almost always completed with the extraction of the uterus. In the first one I have told you it is done from upside of abdomen. We are not going to put hand inside. Okay, external version means outside the uterus we are doing with the help of a hand in above the abdomen. But in the internal, that is we are going to do with the extraction of the uterus. So indication, its only indication being the transverse lie in case of the second baby of twins. Okay, only if the baby is transverse. I have told you what do you mean by transverse, and in case of second baby of twins. However, it may be employed in singleton pregnancy to expedite delivery in adverse condition where the cesarean section facilitated are lacking. Such conditions are transverse lie with cervix fully dilated and crot prolapse with cervix fully dilated with a transverse lie or head high up and the baby is alive. Okay, these are the some indication. Next is preliminaries, same thing. First is lithotomy position, empty bladder, okay, given general anesthesia, antiseptic, cleaning, draping and catheterization are done and wearing gloves because it is internal procedure, so you have to follow all the aseptic techniques. Now coming to the procedure, first step 1. If the podalic fold of the fetus is on the left side of the mother, the right hand is to be introduced and the vice versa. Okay, like which pole you are going to change. So if it is in the left side, first they have to introduce the right hand and then left. The identification of the foot is done by the palpation of the heel. They have to, because it is inside they are doing, they are putting their hands inside of the uterus or womb, so they have to identify which side is foot side or which is head side. While the leg is brought down by the steady traction, the cephalic pole is pushed up using the external hand. So now you know which is leg and you are doing that steadily traction. The cephalic pole is pushed up using the external hand. You have one more hand is there externally that you are going to use. After one leg is brought down, there is no difficulty to deliver the other leg. Okay, this is about the procedure. Okay, now I'll tell you in the picture, you can see, you will get a clear idea. So you are going to see they are going to introduce one hand inside the womb and another hand it is outside, and they are going to find out the legs. So this they have find out. After that slowly they'll put a traction and they will take out the one leg. So see if they would remove one leg, and easily they can go for another legs removal also. Okay, next is contraindication. It is like obstructed labor, tonically contracted uterus and restricted fetal mobility. Complication, for maternal there is a chance of placental abruption and rupture of the uterus, and for the fetal asphyxia, cord prolapse and intracranial hemorrhage. So last one, bipolar version. It is also known as Braxton Hicks. The conversion is done introducing one or two fingers through the cervix and the other hand on the abdomen. So what they are going to do, like only one or two fingers they are going to introduce through the cervix, and other hand it will be on the abdomen. Okay, not inside. Okay, first both the hand will be outside, second it will be inside, and the third they are going to do only two fingers they are going to introduce through the cervix, but another hand it will be on the abdomen. Indication, correction of transverse lie in a dead or premature fetus. This is they are going to apply if in case of baby is dead or it is premature. Okay, so procedure, under the full through general anesthesia, at least two fingers are passed through the partially dilated cervix. The foot is grasped as an internal podalic version pulled through the cervix, and while the other hand is assisting the version externally. So what they are going to do here, like they are going to just keep a tap on the baby. Okay, and from the outside, like suddenly they have to rotate the baby. because they are holding the position from the outside of the abdomen. So that's why it is called as Braxton Hicks contraction. Okay, so with this we have seen all the types of version: external, internal and bipolar. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask.